Hello, welcome to Good Morning. Good Morning is a professional investment company that offers you smart, safe, and reliable earning opportunities. The core activities of our company include Forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, RB trading, investing in commercial real estate, and renting out properties. Our mission is to provide every individual with a platform that is safe, transparent, and income-oriented. Friends, today is the era of smart investment, and Good Morning offers you a platform where your investment is utilized in areas like Forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, and RB trading. And the profit generated is given back to you as daily returns. So friends, now let's talk about our joining packages, where you can start with a minimum package of just $50 and go up to a maximum of $1 million. If we talk about our basic starter package, you can even begin with as low as $10. First, let's understand the profit-sharing model, friends. You receive a 10% monthly return on your investment, which is credited to you on a daily basis, up to 2 times of your invested amount, and your working income can go up to 5x. As soon as your working income becomes 5 times your package amount, you need to re-top up with the same or a higher package to continue earning further income. So friends, let's now talk about our one-time level income. Here, you can earn income up to 20 levels. From level 1 to level 3, you receive 2% one-time income, and from level 4 to level 20, you earn 0.5% income per level. But friends, an important point to note is that to earn income from each level, you must have at least one direct referral with a minimum of $50 for each corresponding level. That means, if you want to earn up to 20 levels, you need to make 20 direct referrals. But wait, we have a special feature. If you make a personal investment of $2,000 or more, your first 10 levels are unlocked automatically. And if you invest $3,000 or more, then no direct referrals are required. All 20 levels are automatically unlocked for you. Now it's time for our next income, lifetime profit sharing level income. In lifetime profit sharing, you earn income up to 20 levels. When your 20-level team makes investments, the company gives them a 10% monthly profit sharing. And from this 10% return, you receive level-wise income as follows. Level 1, 5%, level 2, 4%, level 3, 3%, level 4, 2%, level 5 to level 20 to 1% income per level. This income is credited daily, and friends, this can lead to earnings in lakhs for you and your team. Friends, now let's talk about our next salary bonus. If you generate a total business of $15,000 in each of your 4 active legs, you achieve your first rank, Star 1. At this rank, you receive a monthly bonus of $500 until you achieve the next rank. And yes, friends, this bonus is given to you on a daily basis. Now let's move on to the next rank, Star 2. If one user in each of your 4 active legs reaches Star 1 rank, you become Star 2, where you receive a monthly salary bonus of $1,000 until you achieve the next rank, Star 3. And now it's time for our third rank, Star 3. To achieve this rank, one user in each of your 4 active legs must reach Star 2 rank. Once you become Star 3, you'll receive a monthly bonus of $2,500 credited on a daily basis until you achieve Star 4. Now let's talk about our next rank, Star 4. To reach this rank, you need 4 members, 1 in each active leg, who have achieved Star 3 rank. Once you become Star 4, you will receive a monthly salary bonus of $5,000, which, just like the previous ones, will be credited to your wallet daily until you move on to the next rank. And now it's time for our final and highest rank, Star 5 rank. To achieve this rank, 4 members in 4 different active legs must reach Star 4 rank. Once that happens, you become a Star 5, and you start receiving a monthly bonus of $10,000. And the best part, this bonus is given to you for a lifetime on a daily basis, without any interruption, continuously. So become a Star 5 and enjoy a lifetime of earnings. Now let's talk about lifetime rewards, which are not limited by any time frame. These rewards are a recognition of your hard work and dedication. Lifetime rewards start from level 3. When you complete $10,000 business at level 3, you receive a $300 reward. At level 4, when you complete $25,000 business, you get a $1,000 reward. At level 5, upon completing $70,000 business, you receive a $3,500 reward. Then comes level 6, where upon completing $200,000 business, you get a $9,000 reward plus a $600 monthly freedom bonus. This monthly bonus is paid for 12 months and is credited to your account on a daily basis. Now let's move forward towards even bigger rewards. At level 7, when you complete $6 million business, you receive a $20,000 reward along with a $1,000 monthly freedom bonus. This bonus is paid for 12 months and you receive it on a daily basis. Next is level 8, where upon completing $1.8 million business, you get $45,000 in rewards, plus receive a $2,000 monthly freedom bonus. This bonus is paid for 12 months, and this bonus also credits your account on a daily basis. Now let's talk about level 9. When you complete $5.5 million business, you receive $335,000 in rewards, along with a $4,000 monthly freedom bonus, which is also paid for 12 months, and receive this bonus on a daily basis. At level 10, when you complete $16.5 million business, you get $1.11 million in rewards, plus a $10,000 monthly freedom bonus, paid to you for 12 months and credit your account on daily basis. At level 11, when you complete $5 crore business, you receive $3.5 million in rewards, along with a $25,000 monthly freedom bonus. This bonus is paid for 12 months and credited to your account daily. And finally, at level 12, when you complete 15 crore business, you get $9 million in rewards plus a $50,000 monthly freedom bonus, which is paid to your account for 12 months and receive this bonus on a daily basis. Now let's understand the terms and conditions so you have complete information. All active payouts are issued daily. Users can start with a minimum amount of $10. Users share a maximum profit of 10% per month based on daily distribution. Users can withdraw a minimum amount of $10. Re-top-up can be done with a minimum of $50, and upgrades can be made with higher amounts. Completing the profile is mandatory to receive withdrawals, which includes valid ID and address verification. Wallet transfers from one user ID to another user ID are not allowed. There is no time limit for receiving lifestyle reward bonuses. They can be claimed anytime. When the next freedom bonus is received, the previous bonus will be closed. Withdrawals can be made anytime, and you will receive the amount within 24 hours. The company charges 0 administration fees and 0 withdrawal transaction fees. You can deposit and withdraw only in BEP 20 USDT. Self-investment is 2 times, and working investment is 5 times. So friends, now the decision is in your hands. Do you also want to give a new direction to your financial journey? Do you also want a platform that gives you daily earnings, lifetime rewards, and financial freedom? Then what are you waiting for? Join Good Morning today, a system that is transparent, professional, and completely secure. Start with a small step and build a big future. Good Morning, the beginning of your successful life. Thank you.